Hi, hope you are doing well. I'm teaching online since last 5 years. So I have chosen this topic. What are some basic tips for effective online teaching? So the first thing you require for teaching online is a dedicated workspace. Choose a quiet place in your home and dedicate this as your workspace. Your workspace should be well lighted, comfortable, and it should be silent. Do not set your workspace adjacent to an open window, as the external sounds will be a distractors not only for yourself but also for your learners. The next important thing is stay organized. And by staying organized, I mean that arrange the printed materials and lessons in your cabinets by subject in the files with proper tagging. In a similar way, organize your files in the computer by properly naming your folders and files so you can search them or you can find them easily when they are required. In the organization, it is equally important that you should plan your day uh, by preparing a to-do list either before the beginning of each day or at the beginning of each week. Whether you are teaching online or in a classroom setting, it is very important to communicate with the learners. So, it is important to communicate with the learners before and after the lessons, communicate the expectations, learning objectives, assessment methods, and course outline before start of each lesson. Collect or gather the feedback from the learners about your teaching. You can collect feedback using various methods such as Google Forms, and this will help you to improve your teaching. It is important to familiarize yourself with the online teaching tools and platforms. Learn about the platforms where you can teach online, such as Google Classroom, YouTube, or Udemy. It is also important to learn about different softwares, such as screen recording software, such as BB Flashback software, or video editing softwares, such as Adobe Premiere Pro. Make your lessons engaging. Prepare your lessons in advance with animations, flowcharts, and videos, such as use flowcharts like this in your lectures. To further engage your learners, administer some learning material, quizzes, puzzles related to the lessons after each class. Be empathic and flexible because you have a number of because each individual is different from each other. Some of your learners may need a special support as they may not be good in using technology for learning, and some of them may not have a reliable internet connection or they lack supervision at home. So be empathic and flexible with your learners. While teaching online, it is very important to stay connected with the online teaching community, and those people may be at your workplace, or you can easily find them on social media platforms such as LinkedIn. Follow these colleagues. You can get from these colleagues, you can get some more useful tips, inspiration, and support. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, if you want to say anything, feel free to write in the comments below. Thank you so much and stay blessed.